So hello guys, so today we're gonna play thingy here. Play Subway Surf. So today we're gonna hear a song called Smosh Themesong Revenge. So let's see.
So we made a video just for fun. We lip-synced the Pokemon theme. We thought it was alright. But randomly, some dick removed it, claimed it copyright. Pokemon, why can't you see? It was a parody. Oh, you used to be cool till you turned into a tube. Your legal team's full of news. Smash with me and I'll teach you. Try to sue us now. Yeah. Had 24 million views. The most viewed on YouTube space. But the legal douche flagged it from the rightful place. Let's kick the rest, the time is right. There's no better team. Arm in arm, we'll win the fight. It's always been our dream. It was a parody. Oh, you used to be cool till you turned into a tube. Ain't got time to lose. Your legal team's full of news. Mess with me and I'll teach you. Try to sue us now. 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 Yeah. Try to sue us now.
So thank you, and today I'll show you the thingy. Yeah, this is Jade Lee. So comment below. So comment below if you want to hear this song. So like if you heard this song. Here, this is the song. Yeah, here's the song. Yeah, this is the song. And this and Play Store Subway Surfer. Yeah, this is the Subway Surfer. And thank you to people. Thank you thank you to people who that who made to Smosh and whoever made Subway Surf. So thank you. Bye.